All right, guys, a little technique tip for you today, and we're gonna be talking about the plank. So the number one problem I see with the plank and the issue that I see like tons of people having is the hip positioning, the overarching of the low back. And this is going to, if you never get that right, anytime you take a progression from the plank, you go into ab wheel rollouts, you go into stability ball rollouts, or even long lever planks, or just different core exercises, or push-ups for that matter, which is another place where people make the mistake, is it's always, you're never going to get the full core benefits out of the exercise. So I'll show you what I mean and just quickly go over what you can do to fix it. So when I go into the plank, you'll see this, the overarching. The fix, think of your belt buckle and bring it towards your mouth. So you're gonna go. And you can actually feel this. If that's hard to feel for you, get on all fours and practice. It's the same idea. Belt buckle to the mouth. And if it is too hard from the plank position, it may be easier to go up from here a little bit. So the higher we make the plank, the easier we make it. But you're gonna know it when you get it right, because your abs are gonna start screaming, and that's the way it should be in a push-up or a plank or other plank progressions. It's the way to get maximal benefits and core benefits for the hips and the actual core. So make sure that you're thinking belt buckle towards the mouth, and you're shifting those hips this way so that you feel your abs totally when you do your planks and plank progressions.